Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has fallen 0.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator has transitioned sharply into the oversold area. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI moved into the overbought zone. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.2% in the last session. The CCI has heated up and is now giving a neutral signal. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained muted in the last session. The ATR is giving a high volatility signal.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
U.S. President Joe Biden's interim regulators are wasting no time unraveling Wall Street-friendly measures introduced under former Republican President Donald Trump, using quick-fix legal tactics. Bitcoin rose toward its March record high as the crypto world prepared for a week dominated by Coinbase's direct listing. The chief executive of Intel Corp has announced that the company is in talks to start producing chips for car makers to alleviate a shortage that has idled automotive factories.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 600 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey current situation at 900 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 600 GMT. The U.S. Consumer Price Index will be released at 1230 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 2350 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey economic sentiment at 900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.